let me show you how to use voice to text on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and also Ultra 2. So yeah, instead of typing manually, you can also simply speak into the watch. So for example, go anywhere where you want to type something. For example, I'll simply open up my WhatsApp. So if I want to compose a message, for example, I see I get my keyboard. So if I want to switch to the voice input, so when you see the keyboard here, you simply swipe up. I see, and then you can change the input. We want to click on the microphone here. And now we are using the voice input. Yeah, as you see, works absolutely great. Okay, almost great. My accent obviously isn't that good. So yeah, you simply click this and then it continues writing whatever you are saying. And once you're satisfied, once you, for example, want to send a message, so you click this, so check mark, and the message gets sent. So see, this is literally like 50 times faster than manual typing. So again, click here, and you see the next time it actually will automatically switch over to the voice typing. If you want to switch back, you swipe again up, and you see you have these different inputs here. For example, again, back to the regular keyboard. Okay, like